The OnePlus 11 is no doubt a powerful device with that nice display, powerful performance, and long-lasting battery life. But what if we made this phone slow? Hi, my name is Emmanuel, this is Geekception, and in this video, we are going to slow down the OnePlus 11. And yes, that is the OnePlus 11 slowed down. Now, in case you don't know, I just went into the settings and I turned the animation to like 10. So it's like really, really slow, all the animations and transitions and everything. But that has pretty much been the only way I've been able to slow this phone down, with just how fast it has performed in everyday use. But enough about the OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I really love and appreciate you. And please, please do leave a like, and I would really appreciate it if you left a comment as well. That would be fantastic. And until the next video, please don't forget to take care of yourself and remain awesome. Bye.